Can you feel the buzz? Hey there, I'm Christian Scott and welcome to my channel. This is a place where we talk about all the technical, social, and often overlooked aspects of music, teaching, and mental health as a performer. Today's technical topics are voiced and unvoiced sounds. If you place your fingers on your laryngeal prominence, or Adam's apple as it's sometimes called, and say, ah, you'll feel a light buzz. This buzzing means the sound you're making is voiced, or in other words, activating the vocal folds, causing them to vibrate together. On the other hand, if you keep your fingers here and whisper, you won't feel that buzz anymore. That's because air is simply flowing through the vocal folds, but the vocal folds aren't vibrating. A whisper is an example of an unvoiced or voiceless sound. Generally, all vowels are voiced. However, consonants can be voiced or unvoiced. Take, for instance, the consonants J, F, V, and T. Let's say each consonant sound together and feel for if the larynx feels buzzy. Remember that even if the larynx moves up or down slightly but doesn't buzz, this is still a sign that the sound you're making is unvoiced. Here we go. J is first. We're going to say J 3 times. J, J, J. Did you feel a brief vibration? Now let's try F. I bet on that one you didn't feel the vibration anymore. Let's now try V. Here we go. V, V, V. Was it buzzy or not? And finally, let's do a percussive T sound. T, 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 T. If you felt the buzz in your larynx on J and V, it's because these are voiced consonants, meaning the vocal folds have to vibrate to make that sound. If you didn't notice that buzz anymore on F and T, it's because these are unvoiced consonants. Air is simply moving through open, resting vocal folds. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. If you have a topic you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comment section. Also, check out the resources and videos linked in the description below. And remember to give yourself a little grace. I'll see y'all in the next video. Class dismissed.